Welcome aboard Celebrity Reflection, your home away from home as you hop from one seaside destination to the next. Join us for an in-depth tour of this incredible ship as we explore celebrity reflection from bow to stern. The retreat rivals a five-star resort, setting the global standard in luxury vacations. With an exclusive private restaurant, priority seating at specialty restaurants, a private lounge with a retreat concierge, a personal retreat host, and exclusive services and amenities. The retreat lounge on Celebrity Reflection is called Michael's Club. Here you can enjoy complimentary beverages and gourmet bites, grab a drink, and relax. Lumine is an elegant restaurant exclusive to all guests of the retreat, featuring dishes by our global culinary ambassador, Chef Daniel Boulud. Here you'll find cuisine not served anywhere else on board. 6 people can comfortably call the Reflection Suite their home at sea, with deluxe lounge seating on the veranda, plus private access to your suite corridor. You'll feel like you have the entire ship to yourself. The ceilings in the Reflection Suite are 37% higher than the standard, making it feel unbelievably spacious. Enjoy ocean views from every corner, including the marble primary bathroom with a cantilevered glass shower that juts over the sea. The penthouse suite is a luxurious escape at sea, featuring a primary bedroom with a king-size bed, dining area, ocean view terrace, and your very own private hot tub. The stylish Royal Suite includes a king-sized bed, a spacious living area with plenty of storage, a dining area, and a large private veranda with lounge seating. Our signature suites feature premium amenities, a sitting area, a large veranda with lounge seating, and a 24/7 personal retreat host. Enjoy the sweeping views from the suite's floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows. When you stay in a celebrity suite, you'll enjoy star treatment with priority check-in, access to a personal retreat host for unpacking, reservations, and more. Lounge in a luxe terry cloth robe and slippers as you sail around the world. In one of our spacious sky suites, you'll wake up every morning to gorgeous ocean views through your sliding glass doors. Sky suites can comfortably accommodate a family of 4 or a romantic getaway for 2. Say hello to AquaClass, where location really is everything. Staterooms are not only conveniently located near the ship's spa, but they also offer a beautiful veranda and luxurious spa elements infused into the stateroom, like daily bottled water service, on-demand wellness TV, 2 yoga mats, and fitness amenities. AquaClass guests have access to Blue, a bold yet intimate dining space influenced by the spa lifestyle. Soak up rich natural light while you sip sustainable wines and sample fresh, clean flavors on the menu. Never pretentious, but always crafted with intention. AquaClass guests receive unlimited access to the Persian Garden, where you can take advantage of our aquatherapy treatments or enjoy a tropical rain shower like no other. Concierge class staterooms feature floor-to-ceiling glass doors for stunning ocean views. Plus, you'll receive an exclusive welcome luncheon and a personalized concierge service. If you like slow mornings and the relaxing sound of the sea, the veranda stateroom will quickly become your sanctuary for complete rest and relaxation. Sit outside on your spacious veranda, order room service, and stay a while. Watch the waves gently roll in each morning from your ocean view stateroom. Enjoy beach towel service, twice daily turndowns to keep your room looking fresh, chocolates on your pillow, and, of course, an unbeatable view. The inside stateroom comes with all the essentials. Rest in your sitting area, watch a movie on the interactive TV, and enjoy the world-class amenities on board. Celebrity reimagines what world-class dining at sea looks and tastes like. At Opus, the main restaurant on Celebrity Reflection, sparkling chandeliers and a 2-story glass wine tower set a dazzling mood. The menu reflects cultures from all around the world, from beef carpaccio to roasted quail and beyond. We're all about tasty poolside bites at Mast Grill, where delicious burgers, fries, and other classic American eats rule the menu, alongside stunning views near the pool. Find breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a market-style setting at Ocean View Cafe. Made-to-order pasta, A full salad bar, pizza, stir-fry, desserts, and more will take you around the globe. Food is fuel, especially at the Spa Cafe, where you can enjoy light, healthy bites, pressed juices, and energizing smoothies. At Café Al Baccio, you'll find a selection of gourmet coffee, tea, plus French pastries and sweets. Massive windows overlook the passing waves, and comfortable chairs provide an unbeatable view. Order a scoop or two of Italian gelato for a sweet treat. Make a reservation at one of our specialty dining restaurants on Reflection. From classic Italian to new takes on sushi, experiential fine dining on Reflection has it all. Even if you're sailing off to a Caribbean island, you can still find classic French food on board. From caviar to crispy duck confit, artisanal dishes prepared by our world-class chefs whisk you away to Paris or the French Riviera. Le Petit Chef is nothing short of a bucket list experience, mixing storytelling with an immersive 3D dining experience. Vote for your favorite chef and favorite dishes as these pocket-sized chefs ignite your sense of play. Find the freshest sushi, sashimi, nigiri, and creative specialty rolls at Sushi on 5. Handmade and inventive, Sushi on 5 even has Japanese-inspired desserts and cocktails. For comfort classics and elevated open-air grilling, look no further than the Lawn Club Grill. Casual yet interactive, your grill master will teach and show you the tricks of the trade, from filet mignon to a tender 12-ounce ribeye and everything in between. What could be better than a seafood and raw bar at sea? Take a seat at the porch and start your meal with tasty ceviche and crudité before indulging in a seafood tower or a classic lobster roll. At Tuscan Grill, we transport you to a trattoria, fusing classic Italian with modern twists. Try a mouth-watering handmade pasta dish like short rib pappardelle or frutti di mare with rigatoni and mussels. Discover your favorite bars and lounges on Reflection, where you can order your favorite cocktail, try a new wine varietal, or be dazzled by a martini flair show. Cellar Masters is the ultimate bar for wine enthusiasts, where you'll sip and sample wines from regions all over the world. Our expert sommeliers will help you discover your new favorite red or white among over 400 curated varieties. Elegance and world-class music make Ensemble Lounge an ideal spot for live entertainment. Sip an aperitif before visiting one of our world-class restaurants, or enjoy an after-dinner drink. Passport Bar is a cool and casual spot to sit back with friends, swap stories of your excursions and travels, and enjoy a craft beer or cocktail. Try an astrological cocktail at Sky Observation Lounge. Each signature drink is crafted in the spirit of the 12 zodiac signs. The lounge comes to life every night with live music and dancing. At the Sunset Bar, soak up the last moments of daylight as a live guitarist plays. Admire the sun setting over the ocean's horizon with a cocktail in hand. Shaken or stirred, dirty or dry, no matter how you take your martini, our bartenders at the Martini Bar will make you the perfect cocktail. Stay for the nightly flair show and watch your mixologist let loose. Order a fruity cocktail or a pina colada while you lounge on Reflection's expansive pool deck. By night, you'll feel like you've been transported to Ibiza with rhythmic beats and pop hits. World-Class Bar celebrates the magic of mixing cocktails. Whether you're trying an old favorite or encouraging the bartender to surprise you, curiosity is always welcome here. Enjoy endless ocean views, catch some sun, and play your favorite outdoor games on a half-acre of real grass at the Lawn Club. Fine art enthusiasts shouldn't miss a trip to the art gallery, where you'll find a museum at sea of stunning contemporary pieces you can shop on board. The Galleria is the perfect place for a duty-free shopping spree. Go shopping for family gifts or items you've been eyeing on land. You'll find any travel essentials you might need during your cruise. The Conference Center elevates any event, from a big family reunion to a business meeting. Let your inner child play at the basketball court with the entire family. You might get distracted by the stellar views of the ship and the sea. Take the kids to camp at sea, where they'll enjoy interactive games, and make friends with other kids. There are over 500 fun activities that nurture their interests in art, recreation, and STEM. Put your feet up at our onboard spa, where you can detox in a cozy sauna, enjoy a full-body massage, or plan wellness consultations during your cruise. At our fitness center, take a class with one of our yoga instructors, or experience a high-intensity workout with others. Run on the treadmill while you sail across the ocean. At the theater, live music, curated entertainment, stunning arrangements of dance, and side-splitting comedy make every night on board something brand new. The Solarium is a glamorous, adults-only indoor pool where you can truly unwind. Bring a book to read on the lounge chairs, or soak in the hot tub while listening to the sound of waterfalls. Spend sunny sea days at the swimming pool on Reflection. Sunbathe on a deck chair, play volleyball in the pool, or cool off in the water. Curl up with a good book at the library. With 2 floors devoted to novels, magazines, and more, you'll discover a world of knowledge at your fingertips. At the Hideaway, you'll have a quiet spot to unplug and relax. Read a book, listen to music, or simply take a moment to reflect on your fun-filled vacation. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Celebrity Reflection. Visit our website at celebrity.com to plan your cruise vacation on Celebrity Reflection. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more travel inspiration.